Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. Let's take a look at the 3x3x5 conjoined mirror blocks. Now this one doesn't have the stickers on it for the mirror, so often you'll just hear it called a bump cube. This was sent to me from lighttake.com, so I'll put a link in the description to this product. So thank you to them for that. Now, when I got this, I was a little bit afraid because I didn't really know how to solve something like a 3x3x5, but it's not exactly just that. It's much easier. It's two mirror blocks that have been fused together. So these two pieces don't move. Really what you have is these two pieces and this right side, as well as these two layers and this side. So you have two different mirror cubes joined together. So it's not as crazy to solve. The big difference is that not all algorithms will work. So if you need to orient or permute certain pieces, you can't do the same algorithm. Now it looks like it's based off of the same design as the Yushin one. So now I've already did the video on that. I'll have a link in the description. And this is a nice different change though. This one actually changes the whole idea of the cube. It's not just the same thing. Now it's not completely even. You can see it's kind of a little bit raised right there. But because it's based on the same mechanism, it's really, really, really smooth. So it doesn't feel like other, let's say, cuboids, if it was a cuboid, like this one, which is much clickier. Now also, it's not joined right in the center. So if I just tried moving this middle layer, see, it kind of moves in a really wobbly way. I could actually just do this. Because it's conjoined and you have two different sections, this piece cannot end up way over here. It's always just going to be in this layer. And this one's always just going to be in that layer. Now it still can look really messed up. So the first time I mixed it up, I had no idea where to start, and I was just kind of doing it intuitively. But when I got to the final layer, I did have to look up a couple new algorithms to figure out how to solve it. The algorithms that I used are actually pretty straightforward. I use the same U permutation and other algorithms to insert edges like I would normally, but the algorithms for OLL, for orienting the edges, I had to get a little bit of help, and I got some help from Alex Mass on Facebook. So thank you for that. This definitely is a fun change on shape mods. And this is a ton of fun to solve, and it actually looks really, really, really crazy and feels quite a bit different from other things that I have. So I will be using this a lot. Thank you again to lighttake.com. I'll have a link in the description to them. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below, and as always, stop by SpeedCubeReview.com for more news and reviews. So if you need to flip edges in the OLL stage, all you're going to do is move the two edges to the right layer, and then do a pretty simple algorithm. So what I'm going to do for these two, I'm going to set it up so they're opposite each other on that layer. Now I'm going to flip them with that algorithm, which is M, U, M, U, M, U, M, U2. M, U, M, U, M, U, M. And then I reverse the setup moves. And there you go. For the corners, all you have to do is soon. Now it might take a couple different tries to get the correct corners in, since we're only doing one algorithm for everything. So for example, if I did, let's say, the case here, it didn't quite solve it, but I can try it once more. And there we go. Now, because you are only moving a couple layers, you can't actually have the corners permuted in the wrong spot. So all you'll have is edges. And for that, you can just do a U permutation. So if it's like this, and that's it.